There you are, finally. We've been waiting for you. Please sit. Sit down. They told us you were coming. Yes. New entity and all. Heard you were feeling sick. Yes. I would be too if I was dressed like a clown. Did anyone tell you dressed like a clown? That could contribute to your ailments. Well, anyway, please sit for me. Have you noticed you only have 2 eyeballs? Well, you are an entity. It looks like perhaps your other eyeballs have not grown in quite yet. Yes, you will have more eyeballs. Do you have any on your arms or perhaps your legs or torso? No? Okay. And what other ailments do you have? Not found your first human yet, as I've heard. So it could be due to hunger. You don't feel hunger? That could be related to your heart. Okay. Go ahead and open your mouth for me. Say ah. Say ah. I see the teeth. You've grown quite a good amount of teeth. That is good. That's very healthy for an entity, yes. Especially a new one. Perfect. Teeth. Okay. So I will be conducting a few tests on you. You can't think of any other ailments that you're... Curious. We'll have to do an extensive test on you. You're an odd one. So, as said, you have not grown your other eyes yet. You only have 2. That's not good. So what I'm going to do is shine a light. I will be shining this light into your eyes and looking, seeing if I see any growing. Perhaps sometimes they do get stuck behind your old eyes, and we will have to take those out. You won't feel it. Entities don't feel much of anything, really. You do get injured, but it's easy fixes. Okay, so on the count of 3, you will see a bright light. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Just follow the light. Keep following the light, both eyes. Okay, now just move your right eye with the light. You can't do that. I see. That's very troublesome indeed. Okay, just follow the best of your abilities. Go up and down. Up and down. Alright. I don't see any growths in the back of your eyes. I don't see any growths at all, really, as far as eyes go. You do have some teeth starting to protrude on the side of your cheek there. It could just be a teethy entity, but it is concerning. You should have at least one more eye popping up by now. we will have to test your vision a little bit more, but with shapes, okay? So I'm going to show you a series of flashcards. I just need you to tell me what they are. This is also testing your memory, see if anything has gone. I will say the longer you go without a human, the worse your memory will get. So, what is this? What is this? 4 corners, 4 sides. A square, yes. This is a square. If we turn it around, you might have been to this level. Have you been to this level yet? No. That's okay. Do you know what this shape is? A house. Yes, a house. Little chimney and everything. Very cute. I wouldn't go to that level, but to each their own. Do you know what this is? We do not have these here, but if your memory is intact, perhaps you remember what it is. An apple. Correct. Moving on. Do we know what this is? You may find some of these here. I have not, but you may. A flower. Yes, a flower. Good job. So last card. This just goes endlessly around and around and around. Like an entity. Well, you never really quit going around and around and around and around. A circle. Correct. Memory's still good. It's still there, but as I said, you really should find your first human. Could also be why your eyes are not growing in. Could be that, yes. I am quite worried about you. I do think perhaps you have something else going on besides the not getting your first human. Could all be related, but I do want to do one more thing, just to confirm my doubts completely. I'm going to cut open your face. I really want to see if there has to be growth there. If not, then not really sure what else I could do for you. It could be related to the heart. Let me check your heartbeat actually. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this right here on your chest. Now, you shouldn't necessarily have a heartbeat. Maybe a faint one again. I haven't had your first human yet. But I just want to see. Okay, you're gonna breathe in for me to the count of 3, okay? 1, 2, 3, and release. 1, 2, 3. Okay, breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3. Perhaps it's not working. Well, my dear, doesn't seem like you have a heartbeat anymore. Congratulations on that. That means the cutting of the face will go quite smoothly, okay? So, just hold still, deep breaths, okay? Like I said, you shouldn't feel anything. And I'll stitch you right back up, okay? Just hold still for me. Perhaps there is some faint, but that could be just bone. Perhaps I'm cutting into bone now. Do you feel anything? No? Perfect. Okay. Alright, dear, just hold still for me. I'm just gonna just stitch you back up. I'm just gonna stitch you back up a little bit. Okay, just hold still. I do have to say, my reports seem to be inconclusive. It's quite sad. I do have to say, if you don't eat your first human soon, you have maybe 3 days left. Make a note of that. I do have to send all of this to the receptionist. Yes, the one you met with. Oh, yes, she is a little bit rude. She's a little bit like that, but I wouldn't worry about her. Oh, I think I got a page. Got a page indeed. That's interesting. Well, your ailments make much more sense now, considering you are a human. Although you are turning into an entity slowly. Otherwise you would have a heartbeat. And also, you didn't feel a thing when I cut into your face. For that reasons, I'm going to let you go for now. However, I did tell her you were here. So, if I were you, I would go now. And, be careful out there. And heed my words. Even if you still are technically human, you are turning into an entity. Therefore, you do need to eat another human. And if you don't, you won't be here anymore. Whether by not eating or, Well, my dear, safe travels.